Hey everyone, Gil here for GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about knives. And some of you going, knives? I got lots of knives. I got all sorts of knives. Yes, I got a bunch of knives too. But I want to talk to you about, do you have enough knives? Do you have proper knives? One of the things that most people don't realize is that if they've got to bug out for some reason and they grab a bunch of stuff and they go, what is one of the things they usually forget? Their kitchen knives. Now, kitchen knives are everything from, your regular, butter knife, table knife, whatever, for, cutting some vegetables and stuff, to your butcher knife, your paring knives, your carving knives. There's a lot of knives you have in your kitchen, and most people don't have backups for them in their bug out stuff or already stashed at their bug out location. Something to think about. Now, I talked earlier on one of the ones about sharpening devices for sharpening your knives. So if you're storing knives at your bug out location, whether it's a camping lot cabin or it's a vacation home, whatever it is, do you have something to sharpen those knives there in place already? So you can refer back to the sharpening devices video. So think about all the knives that you have, that you use. And if you're a hunter, there are special knives for hunting. There's special knives for skinning elk, deer, cows, whatever. So make sure you have the proper knife for the proper job, because just as you don't want to use a 20-pound sledgehammer to put in a little finishing nail in, you don't want to use one of these to try to skin an animal. All right? So as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps, both in food and supplies. And you want to know why? This is why.